Hey guys, Chef Danielle here. I am in Carrol Gardens, Brooklyn with the lovely Chef Elena.
Hi.
And we are at Cremini's, which is her amazing, authentic Italian restaurant here in Brooklyn. And we're gonna make one of her signature dishes, and I'm so excited to show you. So tell me about why you created Cremini, this amazing spot.
First of all, because me and my husband, we are very crazy.
You have to be in this business, I think.
No, we opened in July 2019, and because we decided during our travel in California to change our lives. And we were focused in Italy on the food, events, marketing, communication. I'm an architect in Italy, and I always love cook, bake, and
You can't help your passion, right? Sometimes it calls you.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now we have this little bistro and in Carrol Gardens, and we are the only one place that makes Ascolana olives. This kind of recipe is one of the most important recipe from the market where my husband was born.
Ascolana olives. Tell me about it. What is it before we dive into this recipe?
Oh, look, this kind of olives we imported directly from Italy, and this is a medium large olives from Ascoli, absolutely from Ascoli, and we use only this kind of olives for make Ascolana olives. No other kind like Cerignola or Apulian olives.
Wow. So they're getting these olives shipped right to them from the source, which really makes all the difference in this recipe.
This is the secret, guys. This is the real secret. Yes. And the original Ascolana olives are made by 3 kinds of meats and other ingredients that after we can teach about.
Sure.
And we also make other flavors with fish, spicy, vegetarians, gorgonzola, stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so tell me about the first olive that we're going to make.
The classic one are made with meat, 3 kinds of meat, beef, pork, and chicken that we roast together in a pan with nutmeg, cloves, onions, and at the end, when they are ready together, you can put in a mixer.
Food processor or like a stand mixer.
Yes, and put some eggs and parmesan, and they become
almost like a meatball mixture in a way.
Yes.
So like a little egg to bind it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I like the addition of the clove and the nutmeg, something different, a little bit of warmth.
You can taste. Amazing.
Something I use a lot in my bakery.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they become like this paste very soft.
So after it's all blended together, it becomes a paste, and then we're ready to stuff them.
Absolutely. And you can put inside the olive. Because the olives are cut in the half to make easy the process.
Okay.
And you can make
And you do this by hand, or do you put it ever in a piping bag, or just better to do by hand?
By hand. Like this, you can put like this, make a ball. Yeah, insert. Exactly. Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
And like
And then
this,
roll.
make a ball. Like
So it's okay if some gets on the outside.
It's okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then after
All right, we'll show you how to
we
bread it.
finish.
Sure.
Yes.
Want to do
Yes.
one more? We'll just...
Yes. It's so
Okay,
fun.
sweet. But it's therapeutic. It's kind of like
It's my yoga.
yeah, it's your yoga exactly.
It's very relaxing. Okay.
It smells good already. So
Yes.
and then frying. What's better than fried anything but fried olives? Delicious. And that I think will make you want a cocktail.
Absolutely. Again, aperitivo for everybody.
Awesome.
Americano.
So we have to do something for vegetarians also, which I think is really great. So you have a lentil one. So tell me about what goes into that.
Lentils. We roasted lentils with potatoes, onions, turmeric, paprika, a little bit of salt and black pepper.
Wow.
And when they are ready, you can mix together.
In a food processor again?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And with eggs, and they become like this, like another kind of paste. Yes, very, very good.
Great. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, that the potato really adds that starchiness, which
Exactly.
gives
Also
it
the
that
eggs.
malleable kind of
Yes.
feel.
Yes. And you
Great.
can feel the olives, the same process. It's more easy
Yeah,
now, also for you.
I love it.
I found today a beautiful and happy helper
Yeah,
in my kitchen.
I will come back anytime.
Oh, yes. Look at this. Stuffed olives, like this,
Yum.
in the wheat.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
And
for-
then, yes, we must fry.
Okay, for the breading process. So it's a 3-step breading process.
Yes.
So what do we do?
Yes. Okay, our olives in the wheat.
Okay, so this is just like an all-purpose flour.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
All right, and then the
Regular
egg.
flour. Yes, regular egg. Yes, you can use.
Sorry.
Okay.
I jumped the gun.
Put yes, perfect.
And then,
Okay. And then yes, mix. Okay, and take one by one like this.
So you want to get the excess off.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And make
Back
again.
in. Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. 2-step. We
Two
like the
steps.
extra crunchy outside.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
2 times. Yes.
Was this something that you ate growing up as well, or just your husband?
This recipe is from Le Marche, so my husband is from Le Marche, and I stole the recipe from his mom.
His mom?
Yes, and grandma.
I love
of
that.
course. But,
Nothing's better than a grandmother's
Exactly.
recipe. Nothing.
And I learned by her
Mhm.
a lot of secrets.
Yep.
Yes, also for
That's
the
how I learned.
ingredients. Yes.
And there was never true measuring. I don't know about in your house, but it was a little handful of this, a little pinch of that, and I would take it out of the bowl, measure it, write it down. Take it out of the bowl, measure it, write it down. But that's
Exactly.
the best. You can really taste the love when they do it, right?
Taste of
Nice.
Exactly.
This is a nice, thick, wonderful breading on the outside.
Little balls, and you
Okay.
can put them.
Great.
Yes. Ready for? Maybe. Okay, the last one. Okay. Perfect.
All right, now we fry.
Okay. All is ready.
Okay, the final product.
Yes.
So what do you serve these up with?
We serve beetroot pesto.
Beetroot pesto. Look at the color on that.
Yes.
That is naturally that color. So beautiful.
And buon appetito.
Grazie. So what is a date night without the significant other? So we have the husband of Elena. This is Riccardo, and he is kind of the man behind all the specialty drinks that they make here, which are so refreshing and amazing, I must say. So tell us about this signature drink that you make.
2 main ingredients, but important. This is Cappelletti, is incredible Americano brick wrap, and it's very typical in Italy. And we mix with Passerina Brut, is our Prosecco from Le Marche. You know, you can use the word Prosecco because it's a brand
Right.
from north of
Like
Italy.
champagne.
Yeah, like champagne, but this Passerina Brut, the method Brut, is incredible.
This is very similar to the flavors of like an Aperol, right, you would say?
Yes, it's between Aperol and Campari.
Campari,
It's
oh.
a little bitter, but not so much like a Campari, and it's not sweet like Aperol.
Oh,
and
great.
more natural, and the taste is amazing.
Wow, cannot wait to try. So why don't you show us how to
Yeah,
make
for
it?
sure. Cappelletti, and
And what a color, right? Such a
yes,
beautiful color.
and obviously half slice of orange and Passerina Brut.
Wow. I'm ready for summer. I don't know about you.
Yeah, for sure.
Now the best part we finally get to enjoy. And I want to thank Chef Elena and Riccardo for having me here at Cremini in Carrol Gardens, Brooklyn. And this, I think, is the best date night, especially during a beautiful summer night like we're having today. So,
Cin cin,
chin chin, grazie, Elena.
buona fortuna e buon appetito.
All right, I'm digging in. This is just so beautiful.